Today's video topic is at-home remedies for sensitive teeth. You may have sensitive teeth if you have pain or discomfort when your teeth are exposed to hot, cold, sweet, or acidic foods or drinks. You may also have sensitive teeth if you have pain when you brush or floss. But there are several things you can do at home to help relieve the pain of sensitive teeth. Number 1. Use a toothpaste for sensitive teeth. There are special toothpastes made for people with sensitive teeth. These toothpastes often contain ingredients to help block the pain signals from the tooth to the nerve. Number 2. Limit foods and drinks that trigger your pain. You may need to limit foods or drinks that trigger your pain. Common triggers include hot drinks, cold drinks, acidic foods, and sweets. Number 3. Peppermint tea bags. Peppermint tea bags are another natural way to soothe sensitive teeth. The mild anesthetic properties of peppermint can help to ease the pain of sensitive teeth and reduce inflammation and swelling in the mouth. Number 4. Hydrogen peroxide mouth rinse. Hydrogen peroxide is a disinfectant, so it can kill bacteria that causes bad breath and gum disease. Also, it can help with inflammation. Number 5. Rinse with salt water. Salt water is a natural antiseptic and can help reduce inflammation and pain. Simply mix a teaspoon of salt with a cup of warm water and rinse your mouth for several minutes. Number 6. Clove oil. Clove oil is an analgesic and may be used to treat toothaches, gum disease, mouth ulcers, and tooth sensitivity. It can also be used for treating dental cavities or any other infection in the mouth. Number 7. Cold compress around the jaw. A cold compress can help reduce tooth sensitivity and ease the pain. It works by constricting blood vessels in the area, which slows the blood flow. This numbs the area and prevents you from feeling the pain. There were 7 remedies you could do at home to ease the pain, but it is better if you can prevent it in the first place. You can do that by using a soft bristled toothbrush, which can help to avoid irritation of the gums. You can also use a mouthwash for sensitive teeth. These mouthwashes can help to soothe the gums and reduce the teeth sensitivity. It is also beneficial to floss your teeth daily. Flossing can help to remove plaque and bacteria from between the teeth. This can also help to reduce the pain of sensitive teeth.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.